First of all, thanks everyone those who have subscribed my channels. And my channel is monetized with more than 1200 subscribers now, and it is having that in a 4000. So almost 6 months back it was done, but I didn't get a time, so I was just extending it. So I'm going to share that in a secret of uh, uh, how I got that in 1000 subscribers, and what I did that in between, and how to complete 1000 subscribers on YouTube. You know, so once again, thanks everyone those who have subscribed my channel, and let's start. So first thing first, I'm in the techie guy. I used to prepare that in technical videos, especially for cloud DevOps, monitoring, containerizations, and many more tools. Almost 65 tools technology I know, uh, but due to the time constraints, I just publish that few videos in a week. But this will be go on. This series is not going to be a stop. That much of confidence I have on. More and less, please comment it like in comment sections. Those who are watching first time, for any improvement, I'll more than happy to improve it. Now let's talk on that in what I like in do, and or did it for getting that in 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hours. So it is not a magic. Just first of all, so uh, you can see that in a number of other places and advertisement going on. We can buy that in a subscriber and all, but which is not a right way. What I personally believe, uh, we have to work on that in a particular niche. Create your videos which will give that in a some return to that in a viewer, and it is a matching with a title, descriptions, followed by the it is having the proper tags. So I work on those parts before making the video, and make sure it is matching with title, and whatever I'm writing in title, it is having that in a content inside it, followed by that in a chapter durations, and many more. For example, let's say all my videos is monetized. I'm going to click on that in this videos. Of course, I'll not open it. So the title, now I have started from past few months to keeping that in a something unique title. So easy development and rapid deployment. That is a catching keyword. And in Java var file into the Tomcat and as a deployment container. So this is the title. It's saying that in a 84 out of 100, and it is then we have a descriptions. So while writing that in any video, first two line of a descriptions like matter a lot. So make sure whatever's there in the contents and matching with the title, keep that in at least two line of your like video descriptions, followed by that you can put that in some keywords, and then if you have a website you can also put it into that, and then you can choose that in a thumbnail. For this video you can see it's a simple thumbnail, but it's eye catching. And then if you have a playlist you can use it, followed by that in you can choose that in a keyword whatever's matching in your videos. So that video is about the Tomcat and Docker container deployment in Java. So I have mentioned that in all keyword, which is almost about to 500 exactly. And in the 500s, you can see most of the my keyword is ranking, and then we have a categories of the videos. You can choose that in a English, and then science and technology for me, and I'm allowing that in a comment, and it's so right. So if I'll go to the analytics, you can see here it is almost it's a this graph is going like in very high. So here you can see it was there, and continuous day by day it's going up only, it may be sometime will be not have that in, and it is going through that in YouTube search, and 60% you can see external, 30%, and other YouTube features 10%. So generally I used to post that in a videos in my Facebook, so it may be 30% it's coming from there, followed by the some others channel recommendations also it will become, but 60% it's coming via that in a search. Likewise, so what I did, same thing I'm repeating again, so it should be your keyword descriptions, tags, and it should be matched with your videos. You can also add that in a chapter, and try to create that in a videos like in short or long. It's depend on, as long as it's covering that in your topic, so these are the stuff I used to do it. And you can see my channel is monetized, followed by that in, it's having that in a 4,000 subscriptions, and only 60 videos I have uploaded so far, you know and I'm expecting it will be give me a good return now. And thank you very much those who have subscribed it, and those who are watching now, please subscribe my channels, and provide your comments. I try to like and respond back for all comments, so you can see there is nothing like left as per my time availability. And these are the stuff I used to do it for getting that in a success. And I wish you all the best for your new channel. Please follow, these are the key tips which will be help it out. Once again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.